Hi Nurturers, Fernell here with Nurture in Christ. In today's video, I'll be doing a plan with me for October 2018 and I'll be using the Happy Planner Faith Edition. I always start by laying out all my stickers and markers and everything and then just opening it up to a fresh month. Now the canvas starts off blank with just the days of the week, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with my stickers and voila! When I'm planning out my month, I use a black marker for all of my personal appointments, a blue marker for things regarding my children and husband, green marker for YouTube and Instagram videos, and red marker to highlight bill due dates. Next, I'll add a bunch of pretty pictures and stickers and quotes and scriptures, anything to help the Plan With Me calendar pop so it's funner to look at. Helps me feel better about every day. My favorite color is pink, so I love this glitter popping washi tape. I just add that and then I put some cool scriptures and messages. And then in the note section, I will write my favorite 3 scriptures that I'm focusing on throughout that month. It'll be just a great, encouraging reminder of God's love, so anytime I'm feeling frustrated or overwhelmed, I can always look to that section and just be encouraged. My all-time favorite scripture is Isaiah 41:10. Tell me in the comment section below, what's yours? Underneath all of that, I will write my goals for this month is to make sure that I'm praying more and reading more of the Bible, not just what they refer to in devotions, but also just reading the Bible for the sake of reading the Bible. Do any of you get stuck in that pattern of just reading, a verse here, scripture here, as opposed to just reading the Bible for enjoyment too? Or is that just me? Let me know in the comment section below. So when I'm pleased with the way the calendar on the Happy Planner looks, I will turn back to the previous page. Now this next section asks questions like, what am I currently meditating on, praying about, seeking God for, spiritual goals, the month's prayer list, and then what am I grateful for? This month I am meditating on Isaiah 40 verse 31. And the goals I have are like to read the Bible daily, pray and listen, that's listening to the voice of God, reading my devotions, setting up a prayer closet, and reading the Bible to my kids. I'd love you guys to comment below and let me know, what are you particularly grateful for this month? If you'd like me to add you or someone you know to this month's prayer list, just comment below and I will be sure to keep you in prayer. If you'd like to see a budget with me video where we show you how we budget for the month, or our bullet journal setup which shows how we plan our day hour by hour, just comment below and let me know that as well. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new here, and we will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.